Hello students, let's continue the trial balance. Preparation of trial balance from total amount method is not in the syllabus, so I had not explained it. So let's see the points to be remembered while making a trial balance. First thing is, as all assets have a debit balance, their balance should be shown on the debit side of the trial balance. Assets include cash, bank balance, bills receivable, or BR, which is in short called, and debtors, furniture, machinery, building, patents, goodwill, etc. must be directly written in debit side. All liabilities like overdraft, bills payable, or creditors must be written in the credit side. Again, capital account shows a credit balance, so it must be written in the credit side. And drawing account shows a debit balance, so it must be written in the debit side. Again, purchase account is always having debit balance, and sales account always shows a credit balance. Again, purchase return is just opposite to purchase, so it will be having credit balance, and sales return will have always a debit balance. All expenses and losses, as I already explained, this is written here. Let's see an illustration today. So this is the book of Keshav Chand Gopal Chand, and as at 31st March 2018, the ledger balances have been given. So name of accounts have been given. Now you have to prepare trial balance. So let's see. Opening stock. Opening stock is an asset, so it must be written in debit side. Again, purchases will always have debit balance, so it will be written debit. Again, purchase return will have the opposite balance to purchase, so it will be written in credit. And sales will have credit balance because it's a source of income, and sales return will have a debit balance. Again, rent, salaries, advertisement, etc. are expenses under nominal account, so it must be written in debit side. Again, commission received and discount, these are income, so these are always have these have always credit balance. Again, furniture, machinery, data, machinery, furniture and machinery are assets, so it will have a debit balance, so it will be written in debit. Again, debtors is a personal account, but is an asset for us because they will pay us later, so debtor will be written in debit side and creditor will be written in credit side. Again, bills receivable is a liquid asset, so it will be written in the debit side, and bills payable is a liability, so it will be written in credit side. Again, cash in hand is an asset, so it will be written in the debit side, and bank overdraft is a liability, so it will be written on credit side. Again, interest on overdraft will be written in debit side because it is an expense which is charged by the bank for taking the bank overdraft. Then capital will have always a credit balance, and drawings will have always a debit balance. Again, input CGST and input SGST will always have debit balance, and output CGST and output SGST will have credit balance. So these are the methods. Now, how to treat closing stock? So generally closing stock does not appear in the trial balance because in most cases it is brought into accounts at the time of preparing the trading account. So however, in the following cases, closing stock will appear in the trial balance if before preparing the trial balance closing stock is brought into accounts by adjusting it against purchase by entry closing stock account debit to purchases account. That means purchase will become less if there is closing stock in the warehouse. That means it is a part of purchase, so it will be subtracted from the purchase. So it is written as adjusted purchases. When it is written like adjusted purchases or purchases in bracket adjusted, that means that closing stock have been adjusted with the purchase. So it will also used while making final account. In case a trial balance is prepared after preparing the trading account, then we can enter the closing stock in the trial balance. And again, in case a trial balance is prepared after passing adjustment entry. So these are the points to be remembered. Now in the live class I will discuss the other aspects, and we will also solve some sums there. Okay, thank you.